folks, it's EllenoreShoto here. Thank you all so much for tuning into my channel. Today we're going to be getting into this cosplay look. This is Misa from Death Note. This is kind of my closet cosplay version of it, so I'm going to take you through all the steps that I did to get to this final look, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so we are now at the tutorial part, and I'm gonna give a few things just to say. Number one, I'm still trying to figure out a mic situation, so the audio is gonna be pretty bad because you're gonna see I have my window right here, and I'm on a very active street, so you're gonna be hearing lots of cars, dogs, people yelling, things of that sort. I am in New York City. Anyway, we're gonna get started with the tutorial. I'm going to be getting into Misa from Death Note. I'm going to be just doing my best with doing that. I've never been in a Misa cosplay before, so this is very amateur. We're gonna do our best. I always like to put my contacts in if I'm going to do like a look with contacts. These are tie-dye contacts. I have a code for it. I'm gonna put the code right here. If you want to get yourself some tie-dye contacts. I'm gonna be using, I think these are like icy blue or something. Misa has beautiful blue eyes, and I have poop brown. No, everyone who has brown eyes, you're gorgeous and beautiful. Never call your eyes poop brown. But I will tell you this, quick story time. Growing up in middle school, everyone was like doing the like, your eyes are like beautiful pools of water. Your eyes look just like the ocean. And one of my friends, Miles, was like, Eleanor, and your eyes are like big puddles of poo. And I was like, thanks. So I'm gonna look up Misa from Death Note. Okay, so she has like blue eyes, like a red lip, big blue eyes. So what we're gonna do is we're going to grab a mirror and we're just gonna put the contacts in. So I've washed my hands, coronavirus. Wash my hands, and I'm gonna put these in. We're gonna see how these go, okay? I have to stick my tongue out when I do it. It's crazy. Every time I put blue contacts in, I'm always like, am I a different person? It makes you feel like a different person, truly. Contacts are in. We're going to now move to like the face. Now, warning, disclaimer. I don't wear foundation. I know, there's a lot of reasons why I don't wear foundation. Number one, I don't like how it feels. Doesn't anyone else not like how that feels? It just feels like that. I don't love that feeling. Also, growing up, I'm a lot of different races and ethnicities, so I was never able to really find foundation that matched my skin tone perfectly. And listen, I am an artist, but I'm not really out here about to buy like $46 foundation in 3 colors to mix them together to get my perfect shade. Like, that's just not happening. So we're not gonna do skin. If you wanna do cosplay and perfect your skin, go right ahead. But mama ain't doing that. I got time for that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Too Faced 24-hour shadow insurance. Oh look, a real YouTuber. Still won't focus. Great, that's fine. I'll insert a picture. All right, so we're gonna take this. I'm just gonna put that all over my eyelids, and then I'm going to cover my eyelids and my beautiful under eye bags with concealer. Concealer really is the only thing I use for my skin, so Eddies, what Eddies? The concealer I've recently been using is this Cover FX Power Play. Cover FX Power Play? Does this like... This doesn't autofocus. Hey folks, one day I'll figure out how to make it focus, but again, I guess I'll insert a picture. I use also, folks, like I'm really out here just using my fingers for everything. You heard it here first. I use my fingers for everything. So I'm gonna put the concealer all right here over my eyes, and I'm going to also go down the bridge of my nose and a little bit on the chin, just to, you know, highlight it a bit. And then I just use my fingers, y'all. Just use your fingers, y'all, okay? I have some really cute brushes that I'll show you, the Sailor Moon themed. You may be like, I wonder if this girl likes Sailor Moon. She does. But I just use my fingers. Like, your fingers are $3.99, okay? Free 99. I go down the bridge of the nose because I feel like she has like a very cute nose, and around the chin. I'll go around my nose just a bit to hide any redness. Yeah, what are we gonna do next? I don't know, what do you want to do next? Now listen, second quick story time, I started TikTok about a year ago. And when I first started TikTok, I was like kind of doing some skits, I was doing some dances, yada yada yada. And I remember starting to see people doing cosplay and I was like, I want to do that. But I had never cosplayed before. So I kind of did like closet cosplay where I would take outfits that kind of looked like the outfits. And I would only like cosplay characters that I had similar hairstyles to, aka Aizawa, when I had long hair. And I remember my husband asking me like, so are you gonna start to cosplay? And I was like, no, I'm not gonna. Here we are, we're cosplaying. Now, I have not been doing it for that long, so, you know, this tutorial, maybe we can find out a different word for tutorial, because I don't think it should be a tutorial. I'm not telling you how to do it. I'm showing you how I do it. Get ready with me. Get ready with me as a Misa cosplay, and it's gonna be okay, maybe. Ding! What are we going to do next? I'm asking you because it feels like you're gonna give me an answer. I don't think you're going to, so I need to ask myself, what do I want to do next? Eyes? Eyes. All right, let's do some eyes. Let's talk about these brushes real fast. I got these from my Amazon wish list. Sailor Moon brushes, look at this. Look at them, so pretty. These are the only brushes I use. Well, that one and like this random fluffy brush, but the Sailor Moon ones are really pretty. What we're gonna do is, her eyes are just like super big. So I think what I'm gonna try and do, which I haven't done before, is I'm gonna try and put like white underneath and then put the black eyeliner and make it like this. I'm gonna put this right here and then this like this and it was like this like that. A little bit of a wing and then just keep the eyes kind of like light and bright and cute. I think I'm gonna use this Best Land Sweet Mini Mint? Sweet Mint. Oh god, I can't read. Also from my Amazon wishlist, thank you so much. Does not come with a mirror. We do what we gotta do. So let's start off. I'm going to use my ring finger and go into this kind of like shimmery shade and go in on the inner corners of my eye and make it nice and big. And just like open up my eye a little bit. This is the part of the video where I probably should like zoom y'all in. I probably should have done that earlier. I figured out how to zoom in like halfway through this tutorial, so maybe now you can see stuff? Sorry. Anyway, I'm putting shimmery stuff on the inside of my eye. When you're here, you're family. You feel me? Isn't when you're here, your family Olive Garden? I don't think I can use that. Not sponsored. Not sponsored by Olive Garden. Okay. We have white shimmer on the inside of the eye. Look at that! That looks nice. It doesn't look like much, but it looks nice. You know what? While we're here, I have a little bit extra on my finger. You know what? Reduce, reuse, recycle. I'm gonna put it like right on the center of my nose. Right down. Little highlight. Bam. A little bit on the brows. Why not? Now, what are we gonna do? I think we're gonna get a little bit of just like a shimmery-ish, pinkish look all over the eye to make it kind of like I like to kill people with my Death Note, you know, like that look. That's what we're gonna go. This palette has actually really good metallics. Kind of shimmery pink. And just put that all over the eye. Like again, I'm just trying to make the eye feel nice and big. I'm a 30-year-old lady doing her makeup as a teenager. My one goal, truly, out of all of this is to feel like Jenna Marbles. Do y'all miss her? I love her so much. I miss her so much. And I just want to do whatever I want. So if you're subscribed to this YouTube channel, like just know I'm going to do whatever I want. So so shimmer all over the eyes. Boom, bam, boom. That looks good. Use your finger. Whatever. That looks great. Thanks, Eleanor. You're welcome, Eleanor. What are we going to do next? We're going to take a little bit of like a medium transition shade. I think that's, yeah. So what I did on the entire lid was this kind of shimmery pink, and now I'm gonna do this kind of mid-tone brown all over the lid. Or not all over it, in the creasy crease. Why is this wet? I'm a little confused why my brush is wet, but we're just like not gonna talk about it. Okay, so we're gonna just take that and go around my crease just to deepen the eyes. Okay, you know when people say that and you're just like, yeah, deepen the eyes. And you're like, I know what that means, but also what? Deepen the eyes? What are you talking about? So it gives more like like that. Cool, cool, cool. Also, why is my brush wet? What's going on? That looks like something. I'm just dragging it out so I have like a little bit of an angle here on the edge. I feel like that's a lot, but also, you know, anime character. It's a lot. We are now going to attempt to do a few things. So I have 3 eyeliners here. I have this Revlon Color Stay, I have this NYX white eyeliner, and I have magnetic eyeliner. So what I like to do is I outline my top lid a little bit thicker with my Revlon. Keep it in, Eleanor, keep it in. Revlon eyeliner, and then I put the magnetic eyeliner over top just so that I know it's going to be the shape I like. I'm not so confident with the liquid liner yet. Now listen, I have this white eyeliner that I've used for like white freckles, which are super cute, which I might do. However, I was thinking about putting them under my eye, and I feel like, listen, we changed it from a tutorial to get ready with me. Maybe we'll try it. Maybe it'll ruin everything. That's a fun game, right? Eyeliner it is. So what I'm gonna do is just do a simple line all the way across. Great, I guess. And then I'm just gonna flick it out just a bit for a little cat eye moment. Now, that's not even. It's not even, Stevens. Okay, so how are we gonna fix this? We're gonna bring this side up a little bit. That's cute. And we're gonna bring this side sharper angle. Okay, I think we did something. That's better, she said to herself convincingly. All right, so take the next like 20 minutes to fix your eyeliner until you don't hate it. Yay. You have to take your magnetic eyeliner, because I'm using magnetic lashes. You're gonna take your magnetic liner and overlay it, not not the whole thing, just the line enough so that the lashes can latch onto it. Latch onto it. Eyeliner. Now this stuff is sticky and it takes a while to dry. So we are going to move on to other stuff. The wig I'm using for Misa has some bangs, so I don't have to worry too much about my brows. So we're just going to take this Gimme Brow by Benefit, this one, and I'm just gonna kind of do my brows, but that doesn't need to be perfect. I just want to fill them in just a little bit. So if you see them peeking behind the bangs of my wig, you're not just like, what's going on over there? Great. Okay, so here's the scary part because we're waiting for the eyeliner to dry. Do we do white underneath? It makes me scared. Just give it a try. Let's just give it a try. Let's just give it a try. Oh God, oh God, oh God. So, I hate it. I mean, from kind of far away, it doesn't look so bad, but up close, it looks like I had an accident with whiteout. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my black eyeliner again, and I'm gonna like do some fake lashes over here. I feel like that might help. Just some like little like pop, 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 you know? Listen, we're making choices. They're not great, but we're here to learn from our mistakes. It's time for eyeliner, but what I'm gonna do, or eyelashes, but what I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of mascara on, just so that my natural lashes blend with the falsies. This is the Kush mascara from Milk. Put some on the bottom lashes, get them nice and cute and thick. Some thickums. It's always fun to pick out which ones I want. Listen, a lash changes everything. I gotta realign that a little bit more. I tell you, like, this girl, she don't know what's going on. She has no clue. There's like nothing behind those eyes. This girl, ready to work, honey. Ready to live, honey. Ready to take on the day. Ready to put your name in a death note. You feel me? We're gonna do some blush. We're gonna do some cute blush. And I think I'm actually going to put the freckles on because why not? So I'm taking my Sailor Moon brush. This is an e.l.f. blush palette for dark. Literally says for dark. And I'm just going to put it all over my nose and the tops near my face. And I'm gonna kind of mix the pink and the peach colors together. I don't think these have like names. I don't know if I would leave the house like this because I am a 30-year-old lady, but Misa might, okay? I want to put some freckles on because I'm a grown woman and I can do whatever I want. So we're gonna put some white freckles on because I think that would be cute for her. Cute! All right, we only have a few more things left to do. We are going to put on some red lipstick for her. This is like a cream lip stain from Sephora. This is number 94. Gorgeous. Stunning. It's time for the wig. I'll be right back. I'll be prepped and stuff. Ciao. All right, so now you're gonna put your hair in a wig cap. Depending on like the length of your hair, all of these steps might be different. I recently cut my hair, so I just like to get it in a little like low ponytail here, like so. Tuck the edges in, and now I have this like pantyhose wig cap. And then you just slap it on, y'all. You just slap it on. And now you're ready to swim. Just kidding. Now you're ready to become an anime character. So, I have this wig that I also got from my Amazon wishlist. So thank you for supporting me, everybody. When you buy stuff from my Amazon wishlist, it helps me with cosplays and making content and videos. So I super appreciate it. So this is like a very exciting blonde wig with kind of fringe, kind of curly, not like super bright blonde, which I love, so it kind of goes well with my skin tone. And I've been using this wig. What other cosplays have I done? I did Femme Hawks with this, and I haven't done it yet, but I can do, not Femme, I can do Howl from Howl's Moving Castle, so I'm gonna put it on now. So folks, I put the wig on. You just wanna like kind of arrange it as you would like. She has nice, like just straight across bangs. Now, I always like to have some dry shampoo with me. This is Argan Coconut Dry Shampoo. I mean, get whatever dry shampoo works for you. I always like to just put a little bit on the top layer and underneath so that it kind of just makes it feel less synthetic, which is nice. Now, Misa has these like two adorable little like half pigtails, so I'm just grabbing two hair ties and I'm gonna do that real quick. I didn't bore y'all with putting these into two little pony pigtails because like, I mean, it's not that exciting. TBH, my camera battery is about to die, so I'm trying to film this before my camera battery dies. So this is the like look. I think it's kind of cute. Definitely giving me a little bit of Yachi vibes from Haikyuu with this. So let me change real fast. So that is it. Okay, so this is the finished look. I was just saying, I'm doing a TikTok live right now, but you don't need to go out and buy a bunch of different items for certain cosplays. Like, this is just a corset that I had at home. Okay. And this is a wig that I style in many different ways. And I got this like little belt thing that I use as a choker. And look, I have my death note. Your name's about to go in it, just kidding. But like, this is my finished thing, and I think it's kind of cute. So thank you all so much for subscribing. Make sure that you like, follow, and leave a comment. I appreciate you all so much. Thanks.